Bishan unfurls like an emerald brocade along Chongqing's western horizon, its verdant slopes brushed with the radiant luster of carved jade. Forested hills cradle steaming hot springs, while Shoe Lake pulls gracefully between islets and shaded walkways, a poster child of wellness and low-carbon living. Across the district, fitness city ambitions gather momentum, with sport and leisure quietly weaving into the fabric of life. The crowning flourish was to be a retail and entertainment mecca, completing the modern suburban ensemble. Yet amid layers of nature and urban vitality, the grandly titled Aegean Mall, envisioned as a consumer paradise of mythic scale, rises instead as a concrete trireme, primed for conquest but frozen mid-voyage in troubled financial waters. Developed by Shanghai Aegean Commercial Group, Bishan's first TOD megacomplex was set to claim the golden scepter of retail kingship, a transit-powered citadel where subway lines would channel commerce into a glittering new urban heart. Construction broke ground in 2021, promising a diverse medley of shopping, culture, and offices surrounded by high-tech innovation parks. By December 2023, the structure had topped out, commanding the skyline like a concrete Parthenon, poised it seemed to dominate the retail landscape. However, the project's Achilles heel struck in October the following year. Construction ground to a halt as funding dried up, contractors vanished, and the parent company limped into bankruptcy, leaving skeletal concourses echoing like deserted military encampments at dawn. Like buying a futuristic EV from an insolvent manufacturer, claims of leading the pack initially dazzle, but ultimately leave drivers stranded in ambition's rear view. In response, authorities scrambled emergency task forces to coordinate rescue financing and court potential acquirers, striving to prevent this half-baked colossus at Bishan's urban gateway from becoming a weathered monument to fickle cosmopolitan dreams. So for now, while Bishan's tree-lined avenues hum with subway lines, sky shuttles and high-speed rail, the Aegean stands as a cautionary tale, showing how even the finest Trojan horse can falter at the gate. A Greek tragedy played out in ledgers and misplaced confidence, reminding us that in the agora of retail, ambition only sketches the myth. Delivery alone enshrines the legend.